This is the Pulangi Mountains. This is also the widely known Pulangi River. Very it is a little bit high from here, standing down, going down, seeing what's going down. So that mountain, which is look like a white one, that is the Clifted Mountain. It look like intentionally cut vertically, but that is nature's sovereignty. That is not touched by human being. So that is one of the tourist attraction here in Quezon, Bukidnon, the White Clifted Mountain, beside the Pulangi River, the well-known Pulangi River of Quezon, Bukidnon. See, that's it. Very nice to see. And there is a small hut at the top. You can see at the top, this one. According to them, that place was visited by one of the known radio announcer commentators, lady commentators of one of the leading broadcasting TV station in Philippines. She was there to get also some pictures for her presentation. So very nice to see. So you have now the idea about the Clifted Mountain at Pulangi River in Quezon City, in Quezon, in Bukidnon. So you see the river downside is almost 50 to 60 meters. This bridge where I am standing, viewing at the top. So the Clifted Mountain is at the curve point, the starting curve point of the Pulangi River, Clifted Mountain, the White Clifted Mountain at Quezon. So guys, if you like this video, you subscribe. Blue water. Bawal na. Kita man dia, kita baru. Bye. Thanks for watching.